Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. I am not around since morning, and I am coming back to now, going on my YouTube page, over 200 and something comments, and most of them are saying, we do not understand you anymore. Imane oremi juice, we do not understand you. Imane oremi juice, zururu. PM's order must be respected. Whosoever that is trying to manipulate PM's order in order to be relevant is a gullible liar to me. You must respect PM's order. Now some people said, oh, you are not a seer. You are not a seer. You can't see through your nostrils. Now I want to explain and expose what I did to many people. After the disappearance of PM, I read the handwriting on the wall. First, I suspected that Ogenkere was manipulating everything because of what Ikenguru Agụ wrote. That I will be the one that they will use to divide autopilot. I looked at it and I shook my head. You can never bribe me with money and you can never buy me with money. I started exposing Ogenkere. You people were clapping for me. Now go and show me it thing that I exposed under Ogenkere, which Ngọzi Orabueze is not doing. Go and show me. Gaddafi. Who is Gaddafi? Gaddafi is a son compared to Caterpillar. Then I know Ikenguru Agụ. If they want to deny Ikenguru Agụ, who is Caterpillar? Caterpillar is a senior comrade to senior commander to Ikenguru Agụ. And you cannot hire Caterpillar without hiring Ikenguru Agụ. Now let me go into what I did. After I started supporting Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, and I was getting applause, and I have to go into my spiritual life to check. Maka imane oremi juice na move ihu, ọ naghị move azụ. Ebila bịa azụ, la azụ ya were isi bịa ọgụ. I checked. Ogenkere and Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze. Onye bụ original Ogenkere. Ọ da kitikiti kpọkpọ, ọ Ngọzi Orabueze, ọ da kitikiti kpọkpọ. Wee jụọ sị Ogenkere and Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, who is more powerful? Ogenkere, Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze came ahead of Ogenkere. Now, I asked if we should follow Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, can we get to Biafra? I was received immediately that we are not going anywhere. And immediately I confided in some people. Those people were of the opinion, okay, if you do not support Ogenkere, if you do not support Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze, who are you going to support? That our people will scatter. I said, okay, that's true. If I have to support Ogenkere, I have to support Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze in order to coordinate our people so that our people do not scatter. We will put them under one sheep. Go and ask. I confided then in 3 different people so that they will not say, oh, I did not say it. I confided in them. Go and ask. Look what I see in my spiritual life because I held it dearly. Imane oremi juice. Before you see me, I don't see you. Then I was waiting. And they were telling me, oh, Dr. Ngọzi is a woman. She have to start. She have to. As from then till now, what have she done that she will disobey the order of PM? Oh, Ogenkere is a criminal. I'm not supporting Ogenkere here. But I am supporting the order of PM. Ihuru PM, okwu PM kwuru na-achọ turn into AI. Or AI, or AI. AI buku nine. How did you people get hold of Dr. Ngọzi be my surrogate? Obu AI kwuru okwu a ka ọha mmadụ kụziri ya. Are we not the people that promoted Dr. Ngọzi, you be my surrogate? The woman who gave it in voice, that is PM's ex-wife, when we were rubbishing her, what did she say? Did she say anything? I saw 20-something people have followed me on YouTube. I want to see over 2,000 people unfollow me. Imane oremi juice is severely steady. You can never buy my conscience with money. I am for Biafra and for Biafra alone. All this while, what have she done? The only thing that she used to confuse some of you is every time she will come and tell you, we are signing this into law.
the land of Biafra is going. Those nonsense that she is signing, where have it led Biafra people? Did she sign pass Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Or did she go pass Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The only thing that can catapult us is what the work that we are doing on the ground. And she went and told the men on the ground, after objecting, oh, if I give you gun, you will not promise not to chase any Fulani man in our land. Promise, if she should sit down there and they are rubbishing PM, rubbish channel PM rubbish, there you have Emmanuel Oromijus to contend with. I know they show fake love. When PM was here, they used to tell me, oh, don't you put Kenya has some TV, Manachi or Master Simon Eba. Sometimes Simon Eba, they say, oh, you are not respecting. All those people respecting Mandile Dinarala, Mandina Malielu Amatuala. Where have you gotten yourself today? Where is your PM? Where is your PM? Have you seen anything? Una sign nonsense. If you people do not respect the order of PM, and I may show perfect love. If I love you, no say I love you. If I hate you, no say I hate you. Since December till now, what have she done? Every week she will gather you people. Oh, I'm a meeting, Louis meeting. Oh, this. Oh, we have just handed this to this thing. Here we hear people mugu. What if you are fighting for Biafra? What you do in the land of Biafra is the supreme. And in this one, she can't do anything. She can do anything. We will see it. When I was fighting Ogenkere, she was fight. Not that, let me say what the Spirit told me. She wouldn't lead us into Biafra. Go and ask some people. And people that I of late started telling them what I saw. I confided when I did that thing at early stage in 3 different people. Before I of late started telling people, Unchori rubbish PM. You want to rubbish PM and put PM on that tight corner. The same thing Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, then what have you done? PM no here with all the no diala. Oh, with all the no sooner with him. Play that PM's voice. Play his voice in order to sabotage PM and put him in tight corner more. So that PM would not listen. I don't know if it is voice. I don't know if it is right. But if you know, you know. That thing, that order, so far I am away. Koranu nonsense unna call nala. Unfollow me till thy kingdom come. Do I even send you? I say Biafra before I come into this very freedom. I did not see you. I don't see any one of your nonsense. Na Biafra I see before I come. Every week we gather. Louis, we are signing into law. Honorable this, what have you people achieved? Look at the land of Biafra. The Biafran angel, every time amateur fundraising, Ebube Agụ. Did they tell you that your money is being given to Ebube Agụ? You have this video. Nobody should call me on phone. I hate nonsense. I could have kept quiet all this while, but this order of PM, where una the rubbish, na there una get them. Kaya. I was exposing, oh, why should Gaddafi join Ogenkere then? Unna kwaka. Nda potaziri Ikenguru Agụ. Ikenguru Agụ nemezi Biafra with Ikenguru Agụ in the DOS. That is the reason why men on the ground. Dr. Ngọzi Orabueze spoke with men on the ground for the first time. If after forcing her, she's shouting, oh, my men on the ground, Commander Butuzo. She is a bloody liar. Commander Butuzo is no longer under her. I know all of those things. From her cabinet here, I get every information. From her cabinet there, I know everything. From her cabinet there. A man called me, even the man almost cried. I mean, a lady, say man, a lady called me. The lady almost cried, telling me, Nna ola ka ayeshime, and mekuzi okwu umu nwoke ka mekuzi okwu umu nwanyị. Everybody is crying. Unna jonye yekwu. This struggle for Biafra, if you come for me, I come after you. And why? So far, you don't want to obey PM's law. When actually may you obey. Abraham oge nke the war. Gbara for Chiamaka Ajere war. Gbara war because of PM. The other be my surrogate. Emegi surrogate, did you contact PM? Ime on uchim. Ine mose onyagwanam. More one side came out for Amuri Igbo. Legi. You never contacted PM. Unga meeting cabinet una. Say why mwe atayari renye yoge nkere. I say since that time, why have you not contacted PM? Inajo, what are you contacting him for? None lunu ndara. After now, some individuals yebugina, liars and deceivers. If you come for Biafra, work for the people of Biafra, the land of Biafra is damaging. Stay with the nonsense, enemy, so that you pamper nonsense. Imane Jews doesn't pamper nonsense. That is the reason why when Uwazirike started misbehaving, I told them to their face that Uwazirike is misbehaving. Show me one single thing Ngọzi Orabueze have done. PMG when you're done, and I say, oh, it is AI. Chineke kpokwu na okokpo AI. Chineke kpokwu na okokpo AI. If you don't want to obey the order of PM, get out. I started supporting you because of that be my surrogate. That is a private something. You are not supposed to even play it, but we justify those nonsense. It is a betrayal of trust. Putting PM in a tight corner, go and check anywhere. That private voice that was given, you are not supposed to play it. But then when they now see that the evil that they are doing, when they started speaking to me in private, and I was telling them I'm not comfortable with this, I'm not comfortable with this, they said, oh, this guy is going to expose us in the wrong propaganda against him, wrong propaganda against him. Did I even send you? The money people are contributing is not getting to men on the ground. You gave Caterpillar 50-something million. Caterpillar made away with the money. And the land of Biafra is going. I am in exile in Northern America. Here on one side, the came out for Amuri Igbo. And you want me? The audacity of these idiots telling men on the ground, come and beg. You must beg. Even PM doesn't command men on the ground like that. Go and check the leak voice of PM while he was talking to men on the ground. They leak his voice. Go and check it. How PM was begging men on the ground, telling them, oh, petting them. The audacity. Oh, Gentle does not matter. Who are you? Have you fought or faced anything that Gentle is facing? Gentle doesn't matter. Oh, some misgranted individuals. Is it that one? What is his name? I thought that it was my commander. Your commander. You don't know your commander. I want to see those who do not believe in me. Delete, unfollow me. I do not send you. Unfollow me. I send the message. What I preach is undiluted truth. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, don't believe. More women send the message, and I don't want to see your face. Because of you, I got some enmity, knowing fully well that I was gathering my people so that they will not scatter. Imechandaha, PM ke chokwara ime, PM agozie na AI, but other nke nyere gi play ra ya bụ AI, mana enyezie any order or AI. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, kpọọ that nonsense ị na-eme ọkụ. Kamgbe December, what have you done in the land of Biafra? In this 21st century, ka e were unu nye unu flag a na-launch 14th state of Biafra. Don't you go and watch the video of Eba launch in 14th state of Biafra? In 21st century, after pulling massive crowd, in alachi azu to gear one, every flag, every banner, isikwa ata ukwu ano n'ime ohia. Una na reason. No kotoka ime ohia. Isikwa ata ikwu ano protected by ndị Ebube Agụ akwụrụ ụgwọ. Ejekwo ndị Ebube Agụ ụgwọ na achọrọ ise video. mpụta ebe a na-akọ rubbish. Onye ọbụla kọrọ that rubbish ebe a gate ehia Chineke kpọọ ya ọkụ. Go and obey the order of PM. Mụ onwe m na-show real love. I know they show fake love.